What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change a headlight bulb on a Ford Focus. So I have a 2013 Ford Focus ST. Pretty sure all of the Ford Focuses, the new generations at least, are going to be about the same exact thing. For this all you're going to need is the H11 light bulb, some bulb grease, and a rubber glove. You don't really need the bulb grease and the rubber glove, but I use it because the bulb grease is going to help your light last a little bit longer, especially if you have heat and if you have weather fluctuations and stuff. My last one burnt out pretty quick because I went from Ohio to Vegas. Going from cold to hot usually makes the light bulbs go out sooner. So my right front light is out. I already changed the left one, so I kind of know what I'm talking about a little bit. It really took me only about 2 or 3 minutes to do it. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do it really quick. It's super simple. Just need a screwdriver. Alright, so as you can see, I already changed this head bulb, and this light right here is out. It's supposed to be this one, that one should be on. To take off the light, all you got to do is unscrew this thing right here. One screw. Second one's up on top. Alright, so you're going to want to make sure that the car is off for safety. And you're just going to put your hand right up here on top. There's like a little area to grab. You kind of just push it, wiggle, pull out, this thing comes right off. Then you just have the wire harness that you're going to have to pop off. Super simple, just stick a screwdriver in there, push it out. I'll show you real quick. So I'm going to try to do this while holding the camera. You just stick the screwdriver right in there, and it's going to pop right off. Just got to push the tab. From there we're just going to pull the little harness off the back. Pops right off, light comes right out. You can kind of just set it right here. Kind of just set it right here. And what we're going to be doing is taking this thing off right here on the outside. There's the light bulb. You're just going to unpop this. Kind of hard to do again holding a camera. So this pops right off like that. Light bulb just twists. Twist to the left, pull it right out, and there's the burnt out light bulb right there. It's always best to handle brand new light bulbs with a rubber glove so you don't touch them. You don't ever want to touch the actual bulb. So we're going to put a little bit of grease right in here. Just a little bit like that. Shove this one back in there and then we're done. This is going to go right in here. And then twists right back into place. See, I did all this holding one hand, and that's how easy it is. From there, it's just a matter of putting everything back together, which is super easy. I guarantee it takes no more than 5 minutes. A lot of people get intimidated by car stuff, but it's really super simple. Like I say, if you can take it apart, you can put it back together. Super easy. I'm not a mechanic, but I usually change everything on my car myself. Alright, everything is back into place. Light goes right back in. Super simple, goes right back into place. This whole little project that I just did probably saved me about $60 or $70 at least. I got quoted $85 at Firestone just to change a light bulb. Literally takes 5 minutes. So do it yourself because it's really easy. And we're just going to screw these in. Alright, and that is the project. We're going to go over here, turn our lights on, make sure it works. Alright, as you guys can see, both headlights are working. Project finished. Took no more than 10 minutes to do both headlights. Super easy. Do it yourself. Save some money. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and comment and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.